Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is October 2019 first variant in question number 5. First of all, he's saying 4 tan x, 4 tan x plus 3 cos and plus 1 over cos equal to 0. Convert into this form without using calculator. So tan value, all of you know, sine over cos. So 4 sine x over cos x. And 3 cos will remain there. And plus 1 over cos x is equals to 0. Now, what to do? Take LCM of all three terms. Actually, it has nothing under it. It has 1 under it. And what is LCM of the whole equation? You can say here cos x is LCM. Some students think cos into cos become cos square. No, wrong approach. Let me write it. One, you write this one or you don't write, no effect comes. So both are divisible on 1 cos, so 1, 1, and 1. So LCM is cos. So some students by mistake think cos into cos become cos square. So anyway, if this cos same, so upper term copy. Okay, if this cos match, so upper term copy. But this cos is nothing match. So what is that story? Cos multiply up, then this situation. So 3 cos square. Now this cos into 0 becomes 0, and I believe you're understanding up till here. And I get finally, not finally, sorry, up till here confirmed. And now I need only sine. So cos square is not required. And cos square value is, if I ask you, you know it very well, I'm going to write it here. And that is 1 minus sine square x. And now I'm going to complete the question and 3 multiply inside with the both values. I will get this form and my question going to finish. Okay. He's saying what like for example, this is a reorder 3 sine. Wait a minute, let me check once again. Yeah. 4 tan sine over cos. Yes, correct. Now, what is the technique here? So it means sine, actually, I'm bringing this on the right-hand side. So it becomes positive 3 sine square x. And then bring this on the other side. It becomes negative 4 sine x. And 3 plus 1, 4, positive goes there, becomes negative 4. Now you say, sir, this is not matching. If not matching, then only one choice left behind, factorize. Now we can do 2-way of factorization. What is that? Sorry, factorization is only one, but 2-way. So let sine x equals to k. So then this becomes k square and this becomes simple k. And I got 3k to power 2 minus 4k and minus 4 equal to 0. You can assume this or you can work out without assuming. Both are okay. Now 4 3s are 12. And 12, we have 2 ways. 12 1s are 12, 6 2 are 12. 6 2 subtract give you 4. So factorization is working. 6k and plus 2k, I believe up till here clear. From this first two values, 3k common, I get k minus 2. From here, 2 common, I got k minus 2 is equals to 0. And k minus 2 common out, I get 3k plus 2 is equals to 0. One time this equal to 0, one time this equal to 0, 1 by 1. So I get k minus 2 is equal to 0. And 3k plus 2 is equals to 0. So k becomes here 2 and k becomes here negative 2 over 3. And this sign will come here and here. And now I'm writing this finally, this I got here, which is not possible. I will explain why not possible. Wait a minute. And second answer is sine x is equals to negative 2 by 3. And this is my final answer. What I'm looking for. Check it. Is 100% same. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Now you can ask me, sir, why this is not possible? Let me tell you one thing. Whenever we finding this kind of thing, so sine and cos, both, not sine only. Sine and cos, both, highest and lowest value they have. So sine x and cos x, highest value plus 1 and lowest value minus 1. It is not below, not possible even here, not above, it is possible here. I mean to say, if you type in calculator any angle, for example, please type in calculator 100, you will not get above than +1 or below than -1. It means the values will stay between 1 and -1 in this boundary limit. It will not cross, it will not cross 1, it will not cross -1. So it will, this is the only possibility. So that is why when you have a sin x is equal to 2, so 2 is not coming in the limit, that's a not possible. Even you can take the inverse. If you take an inverse like this, you can say when the inverse of 2 comes, it will give you math error, no solution. You can check your calculators, please. So it means it will not give you any answer. So that is why we have to say this is not possible. So first part is completely done. Now I'm going to do the next part. Very interesting. You see here. Look at it. If I write the previous equation, look at it. This is the equation and that equation. Exactly same. Only one change. Look, I'm writing 4 tan plus 3 cos. I repeat, 4 tan plus 3 cos. 4 tan plus 3 cos. 4 tan plus 3 cos. Okay. Last one is plus 1 by cos equals to 0. Plus 1 by cos is equals to 0. Okay. Now we will going to compare this both equations. This equation and this equation compare. So let's start. Comparison. Is this 4 same? Exactly same. Tan match? Totally match. Plus 3 match? Yes, matches. Cos matches? Yes, matches. Plus 1 over cos plus 1 over cos equal to 0, equal to 0. Only thing is every x he replaced by this. Every x he replaced by this. I repeat, every x replaced by this. And number 2 important thing, this always comes same. It is not possible they cannot be different. So in our syllabus is always same comes. So my question from you, very simple and I clear. Or I just tell even a simple question and then I will answer. Question is, if I have this question comes and I solved and I got this answer. I repeat, this equation I solved, I got this answer. If you don't agree with me, I show again. This equation I picked, I solved, and I reach on this. So I can say that, I can say one statement. What that statement? That this equation is equal to that. And I think all of you agree with me, okay, because we have done it. We proved. So this whole equation equal to that equation. Done. My question is that if this equation is equal to that above equation, then this equal to what? And I can tell you without any hesitation, this equal to sine 2x minus 20 equals to minus 2 by 3. You can ask me how you know, sir. How I know? Logic. I will convince you, inshallah, like this. Look at that. If this angle is x, this angle is x, this angle is x, so this angle is x. Okay. If this angle is P, I'm writing P here. P. This angle is P, this angle is P, then this angle must be P. So you agree with me that they are 100% same. And now I give you last example. If this is K, this is K angle, then this must be K angle. So last sentence and then I will finish. If this is equal to x minus 2x minus 20, 2x minus 20, 2x minus 20, then this must be also 2x minus 20. So I think it is a very clear sense. I can see from this question.
Sir.
So I can sense that. I can sense that they are equal. So that is. So students, I can say that by part 1, I can say that this whole equation into this form. Now my target is to get the 4-mark question to get the x. How to get x value? So let's see now. So first of all, as you know, this is alpha. I will take this alpha for a. Remember that first of all I make cross. Job number 1 I make cross. Ask yourself this sign and this minus sign. And sign is negative where? Cast. C-A-S-T, cast property. And sign is negative is in this quadrant and this. So sign is positive, all positive, and sign positive. So sign positive in first two quadrants and sign negative in third and fourth quadrant. Because negative sign, so I will make one line here and one line here. I'll show you. One line here and one line here. Okay, then what? Then, if you remember, we done last lecture, that this will take as a x. So x I take it as alpha. This I will take as alpha. And sign will go on the other end, and don't include negative sign. Okay, now I'm going to type in the calculator. Okay, and I'm checking what answer coming. So wait a minute. Let me check first of all. Yeah. So sine inverse of 2 by 3. It's giving me what? Alpha value 41.8 degree. All right. This angle I will make 41.8 here and 41.8 here. I given a logic in my previous lectures. Never write this angle with y-axis. No, not at all. Line and x-axis. After this, what is rule of measurement? Now remove alpha, bring this back, angle alpha back here. So 2x minus 20, I'm writing. This I got from here, which I given before alpha name. Now. So what is the rule of the starting? Start from positive x-axis. All of you know it very well. And move anti-clockwise till line. So from here, move and move and move and stop. One job. So let's start. How we can fulfill this one? So you know it full is equal to 180 degree and this is 41.8. So 180 plus 140 by 41.8. So we got it here 180 plus 41.8. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, first part is done. And let's go for second answer. Second answer, again start from positive x-axis, move anti-clockwise till the second line. Okay. And now it is a very clear approach. Full circle is 360. But this angle I don't want. So it means I want to start and stop here. So this angle I don't want. It means I can see here 360 degree and minus 41.8. And that's it. And I'm writing here 360 minus 41.8. And now, this is, I think, very clear plan, very clear idea. And now this 20, this negative 20, I will go and add here and add here. One thing. Number 2. And 2 will divide each value. 2 will divide each value. So let's see how we can complete it. So it means I can show you 180 plus 41.8 plus 20 divided by 2. Repeat. This 20 comes here and then it will add and then 2 divides. I think got a point clear. Second answer, 360 minus 41.8. Again, 20 will come and add here and 2 will divide the whole thing. So let's start. It means plus 20 divided by 2. And now I'm going to solve one by one. So first answer is 180 plus 41.8 and plus 20 and divided by 2. My first answer is coming 120.9, 1 dp. Second answer, so 360 minus 41.8 and plus 20 and divided by 2. And my answer is coming 169.1. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe your point is, the point is very clear, all of you.
Yeah,
and
very true.
become clear. And